Hello, baby! Yeah, this is the Big Papa speaking. Today's experiment's got a specific aim, as always, and the aim is to test for the presence of starch in a leaf. Now we all know that during photosynthesis, starch is formed. So if photosynthesis has occurred, then starch will be formed, and that's a very important sentence with regard to our the rest of our experiments about photosynthesis. So we take a leaf or two or three different kinds of leaves. Some of them work better than others, but I take the leaves from a plant that's been exposed to sunlight for about 4, 5, 6, 7 hours, as long as possible, and then I boil them in water for about 10 to 15 minutes. I've been boiling these leaves now for quite a while because we don't have time to watch with our video how the leaves boil for 15 minutes. And then what I need for this experiment is obviously a burner, a stand, two kinds of beakers, and then iodine solution. You'll know that we use iodine solution. It's the solution, it's not iodine itself, because it's the solution, and then a small little beaker and thongs. So what I now do is I extinguish the flame, because alcohol is flammable, and I just want to remark specifically this is not for drinking. So what I then do is I pour a little bit of alcohol into this beaker, and then I take the leaves and I put it in the alcohol. Now, scientists are very clever people. We don't want to boil the alcohol with a flame because it's flammable. So what I now do is I rely on a specific phenomenon, namely that the boiling point of water is around about 100 degrees Celsius, and that of alcohol is around about 87 degrees Celsius. Your teacher will correct me if I'm not right. And what now happens is the water heats the alcohol, and the alcohol will start boiling within a few seconds. The reason why I boil I don't know if I've said that, but the reason why I boil the leaves in the water is because I want to stop all metabolic processes. And the reason why I boil it in alcohol is because chlorophyll is soluble in alcohol, and it will extract all the chlorophyll from the leaf, and that'll leave the leaf with a whitish color. So that'll make it easier for me to see if there's been any change in the color of the leaf. So if I take the camera closer to the alcohol, you'll see it's starting to boil now. Wonderful, eh? So now, because I don't have time to watch the alcohol boiling for 10 or 15 minutes, I'm just going to demonstrate it. I take the leaves out, and there you can see when I remove the leaves, the alcohol is a greenish color. Now I just quickly put the leaves into the water just to soften them up again. Oh, my bokkie is fallen, but it doesn't matter. I'm going to take the iodine solution, and then I pour a few drops on each of the leaves. Now remember, these leaves should be whiter. If I've done it correctly, it should be whiter in color. Like I've prepared a successful or a positive test for you, yeah. And here you can see there's small spots there, somewhere here. That's decolored into a purple, blue, or black color, and that is a positive test for starch. So my conclusion then would be that starch has been formed because of photosynthesis, And the other experiments we'll discuss in the next on the next occasion. Thank you. Enjoy your day.